Kawasaki announced the 2023 Ultra 310s, but website still has 2012, 2022 Ultra. I presume you mean LX. Do you think naturally aspirated Ultra will not be even included in the roster for 23? They're just going to clear out what existing units are there. They're not producing, from my understanding, from what I have been told, and I have not received hard confirmation from Kawasaki because they said, quote, it's premature to ask. But my understanding is that there will not be a 2023 Ultra LX. There will be a redesigned 24. It got pushed back, maybe pushed back another year. But the redesign for the naturally aspirated Ultra will not be coming out for 23. That's what I've been told. Everything that you see for 2022 is a direct, complete 100% carryover for 23. So there it is.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.